Now, this is specifically what you're going to do when somebody already has a Medicare provider number, a PTAN. Log into your PECOS account. If you guys forgot what PECOS looks like, there's a screenshot. You're going to log into PECOS. You're going to come down here. You're going to click on My Associates. And what you're going to do from here is you're going to go to View Enrollments. So you're going to come down to your business. Your business should be showing up in your personal PECOS account below yourself as an individual. You're going to click on View Manage Reassignments. And then you're going to come down here and you're going to see down at the bottom right-hand corner, it's going to say Manage Reassignments. You're going to click on that button. So I'm inside PECOS, inside my business enrollments, clicking on Manage Reassignments. We're going to go to click Add Reassignment of Benefits where someone is reassigning benefits to the group or organization. You're going to click Next. You're going to choose No, I only need to make reassignment updates. You're going to click to start the application. And so basically from here, what's going to happen is you're going to click Reassignment. It's going to take you down here to where you're going to click Add Information. You're going to enter all of the required information for the individual. So for example, the effective date, first name, last name, social security number, date of birth, the MPI for the person you're hiring. You're going to choose non-physician, assuming it's a PT, OT, SLP. Then you're going to click Begin the Submission. And once you finish that, what's going to happen is the system is going to then take you to a screen where you're going to do an electronic signature, which is you enter your email. They're going to notify the individual who you're establishing the reassignment with. And once that individual accepts and puts in their electronic signature, the system will process the application. Now, this is specifically what you're going to do when somebody already has a Medicare provider number, a PTAN. In a different video, I'll show you how to do it in the situation where the provider you're hiring does not already have a PTAN associated with your local MAC. Guys, I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you on the next video.